Homeowners, this is something that hardly ever gets done, but needs to be done a lot more frequently. Look at this. This is pretty bad. This needs to be done more, guys. I mean, this is... I don't even know how you can cut your grass with this much on there. She said she wasn't sure why the bagger wasn't picking up, that they put a plate on because they couldn't get the bagger to pick up grass. Well, this might be it, guys. And this is everything that came out from underneath there. Clean your decks.